There is something remarkable about a woman who walks with wisdom, who carries herself with confidence, who faces life's challenges with strength and grace. She is not swayed by the opinions of the world, not shaken by the storms of life, not bound by the limitations others try to place on her. She knows who she is. She knows the power of her mind, the depth of her spirit, and the purpose for which she was created. But she did not become this way by accident. She did not stumble into wisdom, into strength, into success. No, she built her life upon a foundation of discipline, of faith, of unshakable principles. She cultivated habits that set her apart, habits that guide her every step, habits that turn ordinary moments into extraordinary opportunities. These habits are not reserved for a select few. They are not only for those born into privilege, for those with the right connections, for those who already seem strong. They are available to anyone willing to embrace them, to live by them, to walk in them. So the question today is this: are you ready? There is something extraordinary about a woman who walks in wisdom. She is not defined by the world's fleeting standards, not limited by what others say she can or cannot do. She carries herself with dignity, speaks with purpose, and moves forward with unwavering determination. She is not swayed by fear, not controlled by doubt, because she knows she was created for something greater. This kind of woman does not simply exist. She is shaped by the habits she chooses every single day. Intelligence is not just about knowledge. It is about how she applies it, how she grows, and how she uses it to make a difference. She understands that wisdom is more valuable than gold, that character is more important than outward appearance, and that true success comes from walking in purpose and truth. She is a woman who seeks knowledge, never satisfied with staying the same. She reads, she listens, she observes. She observes. She knows that growth comes from learning, and she refuses to let her mind become stagnant. She does not just consume information. She applies it. She uses what she learns to make wise decisions, to solve problems, to lead with confidence. She is disciplined. She does not waste her days on things that do not matter. She rises early, sets her priorities, and stays focused on what is important. She does not allow distractions to steal her purpose. She knows that success is not built in a moment, but in the quiet, consistent choices made over time. She is strong in adversity. When challenges come, and they always do, she does not crumble. She does not let fear dictate her decisions. She stands firm, knowing that every hardship is an opportunity to grow, to strengthen her character, to deepen her faith. She does not run from trials. She faces them head-on, knowing that on the other side is wisdom, strength, and greater purpose. She speaks with grace and confidence. She understands the power of words, the way they can build up or tear down. She chooses to speak life, to encourage, to uplift. She does not waste time with gossip, with negativity, with things that drain her energy. Instead, she surrounds herself with people who inspire, who challenge, who push her to be better. She walks with purpose. She is not aimless, not lost in the noise of the world. She knows why she was placed here. She has a vision, a calling, a deep understanding that her life has meaning beyond just herself. She does not chase after empty things. She pursues what is eternal, what is lasting, what truly matters. This is the woman who changes the world. Not because she has more than others, not because she was given an easier path, but because she chose to walk in wisdom, in strength, in discipline. Because she refused to settle, refused to be defined by limitations, refused to let fear hold her back. The question is, will you choose to be that woman? Will you embrace the habits that set you apart? Will you walk in the fullness of who you were created to be? The choice is yours. There is a power that transforms an ordinary life into an extraordinary one. A power that separates those who grow from those who remain stagnant. It is the power of lifelong learning and curiosity. The world is filled with distractions, filled with noise, filled with temporary things that demand attention but lead nowhere. But the woman who embraces learning, who nurtures curiosity, who refuses to settle for what she already knows, she is the one who rises above. She understands that knowledge is not just something to be gained in youth and left behind. She knows that wisdom is not a destination, but a journey. Every day presents an opportunity to learn. to discover, to understand something new. She does not fear change. She does not resist growth because she knows that to stop learning is to stop living. This kind of woman asks questions. She is not content with surface-level thinking. She looks deeper. She searches for truth. She seeks wisdom in all things. She reads books that challenge her, listens to voices that inspire her, and surrounds herself with people who push her to become better. She does not fear what she does not know. She pursues it, embraces it, and lets it shape her. She knows that true intelligence is not measured by how much she has memorized, but by her willingness to seek understanding. She is not afraid to admit when she does not have the answers, because she knows that humility is the first step to wisdom. She does not pretend to know it all. She knows there is always more to learn, always more to discover, always more to grow into. She is not limited by her circumstances. She does not say, "I was not given the opportunity." She creates opportunities. She does not wait for someone to teach her. She seeks out knowledge. Whether through books, through experience, through conversation, she finds a way to learn. She does not make excuses, does not let obstacles hold her back. She knows that learning is not about access. It is about desire, about hunger, about a relentless pursuit of truth. She applies what she learns. She does not just gather knowledge for the sake of knowing, she puts it into action. When she learns something new, she uses it to make her life better, to make her community better, to make the world around her better. She understands that knowledge without action is wasted potential. And because of this, she continues to grow. She does not stay the same year after year. She is stronger, wiser, more equipped for the challenges ahead. She does not fear the future because she is prepared for it. She does not shrink back because she has built herself up with wisdom and understanding. This is the power of lifelong learning and curiosity. It is the key to unlocking potential, to breaking through limitations, to becoming all that one was meant to be. It is available to anyone who chooses it. The question is, will you choose it? Will you commit to a life of growth, of discovery, of never-ending learning? The decision is yours. Life is not easy. There are trials, there are hardships, there are moments when the weight of the world feels too heavy to bear. But there is something that separates those who rise from those who fall: courage and resilience. A woman who embraces challenges, who stands firm when the storm rages, who refuses to be defeated by circumstances. She is the one who overcomes. There is no life without struggle. There will be moments of uncertainty, moments of loss, moments of pain. But these are not signs of failure. They are opportunities to grow. Challenges are not meant to break you. They are meant to build you. They test your strength, reveal your character, and push you beyond what you thought was possible. The world tells you to avoid hardship, to seek comfort, to take the easy road. But nothing great ever comes from ease. Growth happens in the struggle, in the battle, in the fire. A woman of courage does not run from difficulty. She faces it. She does not shrink back in fear. She presses forward. She does not let failure define her. She uses it to rise higher. Resilience is not just about enduring hardship. It is about growing through it. It is about getting back up when life knocks you down, about refusing to let pain steal your purpose. It is about standing firm when everything around you tries to shake your faith. The strongest women are not those who have never faced challenges, but those who have walked through them and come out stronger on the other side. There will be times when doubt creeps in, when fear whispers that you are not strong enough, not capable enough, not worthy enough. But courage is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward in spite of it. It is knowing that fear does not have the final say. It is choosing to believe that no matter how difficult the road ahead may seem, you are not alone, you are not without strength, and you are not without purpose. A resilient woman does not complain about the mountain in front of her. She starts climbing. She does not allow obstacles to become excuses. She finds a way through them. She does not waste time asking why the challenge has come. She focuses on what she can learn from it. She sees setbacks as stepping stones, failures as lessons, and difficulties as the very things that will prepare her for what lies ahead. In every challenge, there is an opportunity to trust, to grow, to rise. Do not run from the trials of life, embrace them. They are shaping you, strengthening you, molding you into the woman you were created to be. Let go of fear, stand firm in courage, walk forward in resilience. No matter what you face, know this: you are stronger than you think. You are braver than you feel. And with every challenge you overcome, you are stepping closer to the life you were meant to live. The choice is yours. Will you embrace the challenge, or will you let it define you? There is a strength that separates those who succeed from those who only dream. It is not found in talent alone, nor in opportunity, nor in luck. It is found in self-discipline and time management. These two qualities shape the lives of those who refuse to settle, those who rise above distractions, those who press forward with purpose. A woman who walks in self-discipline does not wait for motivation to come. She does not wait for the perfect moment, for the right feelings, for everything to align. She understands that success is built in the daily decisions. When no one is watching, when no one is applauding, when no one is encouraging. She does what needs to be done, not because it is easy, not because it is convenient, but because she is committed to something greater. Time is one of the greatest gifts given, but it is also one of the most wasted. So many people live their lives as if time is unlimited, as if they can delay their purpose, as if there will always be more time to do what matters. But a wise woman knows that every moment counts. She does not waste hours on things that do not build her, do not grow her, do not push her forward. She is intentional with her days, knowing that once a moment is gone, it cannot be regained. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It is the decision to wake up early when comfort calls you to stay in bed. It is the choice to work when distractions call you away. It is the refusal to let laziness steal the future that is waiting. There will always be temptations to delay, to procrastinate, to put off what should be done today. But a disciplined woman does not follow feelings, she follows purpose. Time management is not about being busy, it is about being effective. It is knowing what truly matters and prioritizing it. It is not allowing the urgent to replace the important. It is creating habits that lead to growth, routines that lead to progress, and a lifestyle that reflects focus. A woman who masters her time masters her life. There will be days when discipline feels like a burden, days when the temptation to quit will be strong. But she does not give in. She knows that what she sows Today she will reap tomorrow. she will reap tomorrow. Today 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 she will reap tomorrow. The world is waiting for women like you. Will you rise? There is a calling placed on your life, a purpose far greater than you can imagine. You are not placed here by accident. You are not meant to simply exist, to go through the motions, to live without direction. You were created for something more, something meaningful, something that will leave a lasting impact. But purpose is not just a dream. It is not just an idea. It must be lived. It must be walked out. It must be aligned with action. Many people have visions of a better future. They dream of success, of influence, of making a difference. But dreaming alone is not enough. A vision without action is like a lamp with no oil. It holds potential, but it gives no light. Woman of wisdom understands the purpose is not fulfilled by waiting, by wishing, by hoping. It is fulfilled by stepping forward, by doing the work, by making the choices that align with the calling placed upon her life. Purpose requires discipline. It demands consistency. It calls for sacrifices. There will be days when you do not feel strong enough, when doubts will creep in, when the road ahead looks too difficult. But purpose is not about feelings. It is about faith. It is about trusting that every step you take, no matter how small, is leading you forward. It is about believing that what you do today matters, that every action, every effort, every decision is shaping the future you are meant to walk in. Living with purpose means aligning your vision with your daily habits. It means waking up each day with intention, knowing that the way you spend your time reflects the direction of your life. It means choosing growth over comfort, discipline over distraction, faith over fear. It means understanding that the choices you make in private will determine the impact you have in public. The world is full of people who talk about what they will do someday. They speak of their dreams, their hopes, their plans, but they never take the first step. A woman who walks in purpose does not wait for the perfect moment. She does not delay. She does not hesitate. She takes action today, knowing that faith is not just believing. It is moving forward even when the path is uncertain. There will be challenges. There will be setbacks. There will be moments when you wonder if you are on the right path. But you must not let fear keep you from moving forward. You must not let discouragement steal the vision placed within you. You must not let the opinions of others shake your resolve. Stay focused. Stay faithful. Keep walking. Your life was meant to shine. Your purpose was meant to be fulfilled. Your vision was meant to be lived. Do not let another day pass without stepping into the calling upon your life. Align your vision with action. Walk boldly in faith. Live with purpose, and you will see the power of what happens when faith and action work together. The time is now. Will you step forward? The time is now. You were not placed here by accident. You were not given a vision just to let it fade into the background of life. You were created with purpose, and that purpose must be lived out with faith and action. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not allow fear to hold you back. Step forward today. Every small step, every act of discipline, every choice to walk in faith moves you closer to fulfilling your calling. The world is waiting for women who will rise with confidence, who will lead with grace, who will act with purpose. Will you be one of them? Do not let this moment pass you by. Stand firm. Keep walking. Keep believing. Align your vision with action, and you will see doors open, opportunities arise, and a future unfold that is greater than anything you could have imagined. The time is now. Will you step into it?